So, what are the successful tools that one can use to facilitate a successful transformation?
In my perspective, primary care is the cornerstone of any healthcare system. So you will see that a lot of the celebrations on the TV, if you watch channels at night, the politicians are celebrating building these mega hospitals. But actually, the countries with the best healthcare outcomes in terms of their rate of heart disease, the age expectancy, the number of children that die under the age of 5, the number of women who die in childbirth, all healthcare indices are cemented by having a good primary healthcare system. So a system that looks after people's basic needs. So the basic healthcare needs in Nigeria are not robotic surgery or big machines or open heart surgery. They're water. A lot of midwives, for instance, that are helping women give birth can't wash their hands. They have to go outside to wash their hands. And if they don't wash their hands because they don't want to have to go outside, then they're predisposing these women to infection. Sanitation, cleanliness, basic provision of antibiotics, vaccination. So if we can get these basic elements of the healthcare system right, instead of focusing on the big things that really help very few people, then I think that would be the major tool. Improving primary care would be the major sort of game changer in terms of healthcare in Nigeria.
So how does one keep up, with the digital transformation in healthcare?
So I think it depends on what side you're looking at it from. If you're looking at it from a patient, then I guess from a patient perspective, something as simple as keeping your medical records on your phone can be very, very helpful. So if for some reason you've traveled to Sokoto for a wedding and you have an illness there, an emergency there, the doctor will be able to open your Google Drive, or you'll be able to open it and say, my medical records are there. And even if the person is unconscious, then their mother or their sister or their brother will be able to say, their medical records are on their phone. So that gives doctors access to a lot of information that they wouldn't have otherwise had. From the healthcare provider perspective, I think that we all need to be aware of the potential of digital transformation to transform our businesses, as it has so many others, from landlines to mobile phones, from going into the banking hall to using a banking app. Digital transformation has affected every single aspect of our lives. And I think as healthcare practitioners, as healthcare providers, we need to be very, very proactive about embracing some of these technological innovations that can help us reach more people.